Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to check journal in Pokemon Go. To check the journal in Pokemon Go, launch open the Pokemon Go application on your smartphone. On the main screen, go ahead and tap on your trainer profile avatar at the bottom left. Now this will open up this Me tab. Click on Journal from the bottom. Your journal will display a chronological list of your recent activities like Pokemon caught, PokéStops visited, raids, and gifts opened. Scroll through the entries to review your game history and see detailed information about your action. So that is how you can easily check your journal in Pokemon Go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.